Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today here we're here with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈����𝐍 with a music video, a song entitled Melody. So we know that 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 have some high notes when chip more time where I don't know where him find them from. So that one named Melody. So we're gonna see what it's about. As I can see right here. So like him tied up and he's been tortured or beaten or whatever it is. So we're gonna jump in the one and you ready to say what go on, let's go.
Down to it, cuz. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Dynasty Records. Big up. Ice Cream Record. Big up, Bray. Big up yourself, Bray.
Yeah, hurt me I feel every day, and no matter where the struggle, me no easy for shake. Me beg God to fall long rain, cause I know me can't find peace with pain.
Relatable.
Hurt me I feel every day, and no matter where the struggle, me no easy for shake. Me beg God.
No matter what the struggle, brother, hurt me I feel every day, bro. But guess what? No matter the struggle, dog, me not easy for shit. Me still hold up. Me still stand firm in the gideon. No matter what them want to say about me. No matter how them try to paint me in one bad picture, hear what? Me not shake, brother. Me still lay firm on my feet, you know?
Hurt me I feel every day, and no matter where the struggle, me no easy for shake.
No.
Me beg God to fall long rain, cause I know me can't find peace with pain. Me and myself in a war every day, cause the light and the dark just attack on my brain.
Voices, he's hearing voices in his head. It make it look like say him have mental issues, but that's not the case. I just the life where I live. I just say darkness, dog. I just say darkness, bro.
Me and myself in a war every day, cause the light and the dark just attack on my brain. Stuck in my feelings and caught in my waist. Man come like dog when I easy for tear. Let me tell you this, the pain in my heart and my melody. Me and Father gotta walk through everything.
Let me tell you this, the pain in my heart and my melody. Me and Father gotta walk through everything.
The pain in my heart and my melody.
Yeah.
Me and Father gotta walk through everything. The prophet lady I talk about what she say, I'ma get a better dream and just show me everything.
The prophet lady, the Obia woman then, if you want to call it so. The prophet lady I tell me what she say, but here what? Man get a better dream, dog. From Father God.
Prophet lady I talk about what she say, I'ma get a better dream and just show me everything.
Everything.
Show me everything.
Get the vibe. That me a talk about. You remember earlier I say hit some notes more time, I don't know where to get them from. See one of them there.
Man just show me everything. Show me everything.
Bad. Yeah.
No them a plan for me, but Father God I said that no him plan for me.
So why them a plan? Why the wicked a plan for me? And I try scheme up and a team up. Father God I say, yo, that not in plan for me. So here when I go box with that. Nah, reach out say, just go and no say you just go and put in the work, you know? Yeah, Father God there by your side.
Yeah, no them a plan for me, but Father God I said that no him plan for me. Me have billions to make and a girl chant for bill. All them boy the way I talk, me have couple man to kill.
Me have billions to make, not millions, you know. Me have billions to make and a girl chant for bill. On the hillside. Yeah. Yeah. Remember say me have couple man for kill, you know, cause them boy we a talk off them mouth, you know, brother. Remember say man not forget about them, you know, so me have couple man for kill same way.
Me have billions to make and a girl chant for bill. All them boy the way I talk, me have couple man for kill.
Definitely.
Remember days the Glock no left off me hip. All them boy
Hear the ad-libs.
the way I talk, me have couple man for kill. Remember days the Glock no left off me hip. If it called head top like a Jim Billin. Mount a granite and stone and sand missive. Mount a corn in a me and me think me and missing.
Mount a can and me think me hand missing. So I must say, so the mount a can and me hand feel like my hand numb, brother. Like it nah no feelings, brother. because him said the amount of gravel and sand him sieve. A whole heap of work him a put in.
Too nice and missive. Mount a corn in me and me think me and missing. Dog, let me tell her this. The pain in me heart and my melody. Me and father gotta walk through everything. Prophet lady a talk, boy, she say I'ma get a better dream and just show me everything. Gotta show me everything. Them will want catch me, but my meds quick. But I wear like cold and it tempting.
Them will want catch me, but my meds quick because I really cold and it tempting. So you must say right, so you also listen, me always have to be 10 steps ahead of them pussy. And them pussy want catch me, you see me? Nah go make it. Them nah. Father God now make that happen to him son. Although him son they go through pain, you don't know, so yo, me never shake.
Them will want catch me, but my meds quick. But I wear like cold and it tempting. Like a blast to your brain, make your head split. You a fraud pan the ground like a Pepsi. No call me no bestie.
Yeah, a fraud pan the ground like a Pepsi. You know when they throw out Pepsi and Pepsi a fraud up on the ground before it dissolve. Dissolve, is that the word? Dissolve? Man, using stupid words and kind of dissolve. This dickhead. This guy. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. When they throw the Pepsi pan the ground and it just and frat up and thing. Yeah, that's what the G say.
Brain make your head split. You a fraud pan the ground like a Pepsi. No call me no bestie. Me no friend.
Me no bestie, me no friendly brother. Me no in them circle. Me have a little square over there so when me keep. And I just say it there. Me no friendly, bro. Yeah.
You a fraud pan the ground like a Pepsi. No call me no bestie. Me no friend. Not a fuck, me no give, call me selfish. You have to pray, so for rich when you meant it.
Yeah, dog. More time you have to pray. Make them say you're selfish. Make them say you're mean. Whatever you want to say. Because if me help you 99 times and the one time I not help you, no say me a pussy, you no want to kill me. Look for my finger them, whole heap of bite mark upon them, because I help whole heap of people and them still say the same thing about me. So here what? Right now, you have your thing selfish. Just for try to get the money. And keep your money. Because as soon as you get the money, the pussy them around you want to take your money. Same way. Either by the hook or by the crook. So you have to be antisocial with it.
Not a fuck, me no give, call me selfish. You have to pray, so for rich when you meant it. Check my chest for me heart to get empty. Dog, let me tell her this. The pain in my heart and my melody. Me and father gotta walk through everything. Prophet lady I talk, boy, what she say I'ma get a better dream and just show me everything.
Yeah. Clot. I feel it. Yeah. Get a note.
This struggle me not easy for share. I make God suffer follow weird. Cause I love a can't fight this shit here. Yeah, myself in a war every day. Cause the light and the dark just a dark on my brain. Stuck in my feelings and caught on my waist. Man coming like dark when I easy for tears. Easy for tears.
Yo, me wanted more. I needed more of that. That's why I was sat there through the whole thing, waiting for everything to finish that. Cause I want more of that. But Silk Boss is an artist like this. We're very talented artist, and we're glad to him still there putting the music. Cause now for the thing going since in Boston now. Now get back into that. but him still there putting the music. Obviously, it's not as regular as it was before. I would like it to be regular, where him a drop them banger, yeah, cause Silk Boss bad, brother. And let me just say this: big up the editor, big up the video choreographer, big up the person who plan out the whole of this. Silk Boss, if I you, big up yourself. If I Ice Queen, big up yourself, Bray. Whoever done it, Dynasty Records, big up on yourself. A lot of work put in this music video. A lot of work. So don't get that twisted. Don't get that. Don't think say yo, it's just you just put him in one corner with some little fake blood. No, a lot of planning going on this, bro. This bad. This bad. From the costumes to the lighting to everything. Bad, man. I forget them this. Silk Boss is a very talented artist, like I say. Melody is a bad song. Very, 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 very bad song. And people can relate because at some point in life we go through something. No matter how small it is, it might be small to you, but it affects somebody else bigger than how it may affect you. So Silk Boss, I put in the work, bro. Raw talent. Very, very talented you. Silk Boss, I want some more track though. I want some more music from LG. You see me? Some more bad songs like them here. That's how I'm gonna say. But big up yourself, Silk Boss. This time I'm gonna leave down and say if you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.